Welcome back to Cholla Farm, where everything is fresh, real, and straight from the village life. Today, we are diving into one of the secret ingredients that keeps our chickens strong, healthy, and productive. Yes, Azolla, that green magic. But this time, it's not just about feeding. We are taking you behind the scenes to show how we clean, maintain, and care for our Azolla pond the proper way. So this is the last time we harvested Azolla for our birds and realized that after several harvests, the pond was getting tired. The water was dark, the growth was slowing, and it was time for a full revamp. So today is the revamp day, and step one, we are going to harvest all the Azolla. We're going to harvest and put them inside the basin, as you can see. And of course, this helps us avoid losing any good growth while we work on the pond itself. So we are still scooping out the Azolla from the pond, and this is the first step before we give it a full revamp. As you can see, it has really multiplied since the last harvest. We normally feed this to our chickens, and of course they love it, and it's packed with nutrients. But today we are not just harvesting to feed. We are clearing the pond completely so we can clean it, change the manure sacks, replace the stepping sacks, and of course refresh the water. It's something we do every few weeks to keep the Azolla healthy and growing strong. You can also tell the pond is starting to look a bit tired. It is actually. The manure has been in there for a while, and the water isn't as fresh anymore. If we don't do this maintenance, the Azolla will start thinning out and it won't be as nutritious. So as we scoop, we are also checking the condition of the sacks and making sure we do a proper reset today. This step might look simple, but it's actually really important to keep the cycle going smoothly. Next, we drain all the water from the pond. And if you're wondering, yes, it's very important. Over time, the water becomes saturated with waste, and if not refreshed, it affects the Azola's growth and can lead to disease or rot. Now let's talk about the sacks you always see in our Azolla pond. These are filled with cow manure, and this is because Azolla thrives on nitrogen-rich water. So the manure seeps out slowly, feeding the Azolla naturally without chemicals. But just like anything organic, it breaks down over time. So we removed the old sacks and replaced them with fresh ones to keep the pond fertile and the Azolla happy. We also took out the stepping sacks. I think you saw one of our colleagues taking out the stepping sacks. Those ones were filled with soil. We use them around the pond so we can step in without damaging the Azolla. But after some time, the sacks wear out and the soil becomes unstable. So we brought in new sacks with firm, clean soil that can support us safely during harvesting. And of course, everything is cleared out, and it's about time, to mop the pond. As you can see, he's sweeping out the dirt and thereafter mopping it. So we mop the entire pond clean. It's important to remove slug and old organic matter that could hinder fresh growth or breed mosquitoes. Clean base is equals to healthy Azolla. Okay.
One, two, three.
Oh wow, it's now about time to gently smear our saved Azola back into the clean water. With the new manure sacks in place and clean water, it's ready to grow stronger than ever. Okay, this is how we keep our Azola pond productive, fresh, and safe for our chickens. Good Azola equals to good nutrition. Everything is okay, as you can see, very fresh. And so we didn't fill the water up completely because rain clouds were already forming, and here at Cholla Farm we let nature help where it can. Back to our chicken. Look at them go. Azolla is rich in protein, calcium, and minerals. It boosts egg production, improves feathering, and reduces feed costs. For small farms like ours, this is a game changer. And we're not just growing Azolla, we are growing sustainability. Okay? Our birds are healthy, our costs are down, and our customers love the results. So that's our full Azolla pond revamp, clean, fed, and ready to support our chickens once again. If you're serious about poultry farming, don't ignore the pond. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Cholla Farm for more real life farming, chicken care tips, and village content. See you in the next video.